If you want to shoot single focus anamorphic footage right now, you have 4 options. Ultra expensive anamorphic lenses for cinema. Anamorphic adapters. You will need to buy the adapter, the taking lens, and the single focus solution. So, in the end, it will be very expensive. Cheap plastic adapters with an okay quality. And finally, anamorphic lenses for smartphones. But this December, a new lens is going to change everything. Sirui 50mm f1.8. It's a single focus APS-C lens that will cost less than $600. I shot everything handled on my A7 III in crop mode. I just made sure that the camera was standing straight so that the desqueezed image will not look deformed. Once home, I just desqueezed all my footage in my editing program. I think the footage speaks for itself. This lens is extremely sharp, even wide open at 1.8. This is not a 2x anamorphic lens, but you will still get the really characteristic oval bokeh. And at 1.8, the subject separation works really well. The CinemaScope aspect ratio is perfect for wide environmental shots. I know what you are all waiting for. How does the flares look on this lens? Well, first, let me tell you a little story. We were hiking in the forest when we found the entrance of a cave. Near the door, there was a message. Prehistoric cave paintings. If you want to visit, call this phone number. So I did call, and the next day we came back to meet this lovely gentleman and look for the painting made 25,000 years ago. And what we saw inside was amazing. I fell in love with this lens. It's the best solution right now to shoot anamorphic without all the problems that come with other expensive solutions. This is a fantastic tool to make CinemaScope footage and give a really professional cinematic look to your stories.